So my name is Lana, and I communicated with INVET.net in terms of getting the glasses. So I'm very happy with the deal, and I'm very happy with the glasses themselves and their quality. I know them for pretty long time. I mean, like such sort of glasses, which is called like laser vision. So because my father bought similar glasses to me when I was a student in like school in my university, because I had a lot of reading at that time. And so my dad cared about me preserving my eyesight. So he got me glasses like that, and I'm very thankful to him. But I decided, I actually was looking for such glasses. So they come with a nice case of very good quality. It's marked laser vision with a company marking like www.invet.net, like their website. So besides to marking on the case, we have marking on the glasses themselves, which actually really good in terms, it inspired trust to the company that they send you really manufactured glasses for them or something like that. So if you will look at glasses themselves, there will be fine marking on the plastic side from inside, which will tell INVET.net. So it's by any means, it's not a fabricated like plastic, let's say made by China or something like that. Sorry to everybody, and want to say nothing wrong about China, but yet, so I'm very happy about quality of glasses themselves. So about the effect on my eyes, because they do help me to protect my eyesight. So I'm very happy with the price. I'm very happy with the shipment. The company itself was very cooperative in terms of they were listening to my needs, which is extremely important. So just wanted to let you know that I'm happy about that. Thank you again, and have a great day.